Okay, so I did a video about the details of our GE washer before. Sorry, my voice is weird. I just got back from work. Okay. But now I'm going to do a video of our GE dryer. This is a matching set. And I just got done doing a video this morning of the delicate cycle on our washing machine. And here's the model number of our washing machine here. And the dryer also has a QR code model number down below here, which I'll show you. But I wanted to show you the details of our GE dryer, and then I'll do a second video with showing the manual on my phone because I don't have it in person, but I can look it up on my phone just by scanning this QR code right here. So that's our GE dryer model number. So it's a GTD65EBSJ3WS. That's our GE dryer model number. This is what the inside of the dryer looks like, if you're wondering. There's some tapping. And then I'll just tap on this last thing here. That actually sounds cool. Anyways, this is a dryer. And then this is the lint filter right here. Obviously, you should clean it before you use it again, or make sure there's no lint. My clothes usually don't make a lot of lint, but anyways, I still clean it. And this is the top here. This is the power button. This is the sound it makes. When you turn it on, it makes this sound. And then when you turn it off, it makes this sound. So what I just noticed and found out yesterday while I was doing the gene cycle video yesterday night. So it's not really blue there. It kind of looks blue on camera, but in real life, I mean, this is blue, but in real life, this is more like a whitish color. And I've noticed the gene cycle, the speed dry cycle, the delicate cycle, the casual cycle, mixed load cottons, towels and sheets, bulky items, and sanitized cycle are all blue. But the air fluff cycle, the warm-up cycle, and the time dry cycle are white on here anyways. And I thought that was kind of cool. I didn't even notice that. The washer doesn't do that. It just has all of them are blue, I'm pretty sure. But the dryer, because these are time dry cycles, like a different type of cycles, they're blue. They're like white instead of blue. I don't know if you can notice that. That's more blue, and then it just looks different on camera, but that's more white, and then that's more blue. But anyways. And you could also so this is what I usually do. This is a mixed load cycle. You could do this and then high heat, or you could do low, medium, or high. Then I don't know if it'll let me do e-dry on this motor or not. Let's see. Yep, this is efficient dryer, eco dryer or something. It makes it low heat and more efficient, I guess. I've never used it before. This is the casual cycle. You can do this, or this, or this, but it doesn't let you do high heat. You can do damp, less dry, or dry. This is the delicate cycle. As you can see, it won't let me do anything but low heat, and then it will let me do more dry, but it prefers less dry. This is speed dry. It prefers high heat, but you could do other heat too. It just takes longer, and you can change those too. This is the gene cycle. So you can do all that and then all that. And then this is the cotton cycle. It automatically, when you go on that cycle, it automatically prefers an e-dry button, but you don't have to do that. You can just turn it off. But if it automatically prefers recommends an e-dry cycle and it makes it low heat. But if it's on, it won't let you change the heat or that either. The towels and sheets cycle it does more heat and high heat, or more dry and high heat. But you can change that, and then you can change this too. The bulky item cycle is this one. You can change, let's see, yep, you can change this, but it won't let you go to more dry or anything, and then it lets you change that, but not no heat or not high heat. The sanitize takes forever. I've never used it before. This says it takes 2 hours, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how. And it won't let me change any of these whatsoever. And not even do an e-dry for that. Now for the time dry cycle, this is time dry, so you could do, and I found out not too long ago that you can change it to in between 10 and 20, or in between 20 and 40 by doing that, or less, but it won't go any less than 10. But you could do like 90 minutes, but if you wanted to do more, then you can do that. And you can also change like this, I'm pretty sure. But this, all these cycles on here, except for this one, and this one, all these ones, they sense how dry the laundry is, so it kind of guesses and then runs it down. And when it's dry, then it turns off. But these ones are not guessing, it's just like whatever the time is exact. And then this one is the warm-up cycle. This is like for like stuff like, I think like if you don't want wrinkles. And there's also these other buttons too, and there's the air fluff. I think this one's the wrinkles one too. I can't remember what the warm-up one, but the air fluff one is about not wanting wrinkles. It won't let me do e-dry though, but let me change that. And then this one, usually it says no heat, so it won't let me change that. I could do an extended tumble. This one, I looked it up, and it says that it will like, well actually I can't remember what it does, but I think it like tumbles until it's like the wrinkles are gone, but I don't know for sure. That's what I'll figure out in the next video when I show you. You could do a damp alert for some of the cycles, like just press that and it will show, it will go off when the clothes are, it will make a sound when the clothes are damp. I don't know if it will turn off or not, but it will alert you when the clothes are damp, just in case you want to like take them out instead of drying them all the way, and just in case you want to take them out and iron them or let them dry on a rack or something. This affects the volume. You can turn it off, and that's what I have it at. Delay dry. The washer also has a delay wash, and you can pick which one you want, how long you want it to start. I'm just gonna stop that, but anyways, and then there's my cycle. That's pretty much our dryer. Oh, and then there's also like, you can hold this button and it will do a drum light. It will turn on the light inside. I think I've shown that before. And then there's, I guess if you hold this button or this button for 3 seconds, it will lock it or something. I've never used that before, but it's interesting. And that's pretty much our dryer. I do want to say something, just in case you're wondering how old this washer and how old this dryer is. We got them at the same time when we moved into this house in like 2018 or 19. It was like the end of 2018. We got these dryers, this washer and this dryer, and it was one of them that I've been wanting for a while. I'd see this washer and this dryer at Lowe's. I was like, oh my god, we have to get these. I'm dreaming for them, and luckily we were able to get them. So this is kind of like my dream washer, because I had one similar to this, except it was a Whirlpool, and this is when I was younger. I missed that one so much. It was a Whirlpool Cabrio, and I hear that those are trash, but ours wasn't that bad. We didn't have a bad one, but it did go bad after like 8 years, and we had to get a front loader, which is like a Whirlpool something else. I do miss that one too. And that one's in Florida, because when we moved to Florida, that one's still there. We moved back, and then, yeah, but anyways. Yeah, so that's the washer and then that's the dryer. And I will be doing another video with the manual of the dryer.